Hey guys, today I'm going to grill some pork steaks. So let's get queuing. I have a couple of pork blade steaks here. These were $3.19 per pound, 2.82 pounds, so this package was $9. There was 4 of them in here, but I used 2 already, so there's 2 left. I guess I'll just cook them both here. Get them out of the package there, and I'm going to season them with this Andy's rub. I used this on some chicken in my last video, and I thought it was pretty good. I also tried it on the other 2 of these that I cooked yesterday. So this has sea salt, spices, dehydrated garlic and an onion, dehydrated parsley, garlic powders, dehydrated lemon peel and dehydrated orange peel, and just a few things to prevent caking in it. I just bought this at the produce market in front of my house, Andy's Produce Market, but I don't think they make it. This is actually made in Gilroy, California. So these steaks are fairly thin, so I just kind of go lightly. I don't want to overdo the rub here, so just do each side lightly with this, and then I'll go get my grillet. I'm just going to use my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. This grill is nice and easy to use. I've had it for a little over 3 years and I like it a lot. So I've already brushed off my grill grates there. They're stainless steel, cast iron grill grates, and they're coated so they don't rust. Just turn the gas on there and close the lid, and it's got an igniter here. Alright, I hear it firing up there, so we'll just let that warm up for about 10 minutes and then we'll get the steaks on there. It's been about 10 minutes, so my grill should be pretty hot here. This is a paper towel soaked in cooking oil just to kind of get the excess dirt off of there, and just to grease the grill a little bit so the chops don't stick, or the steaks don't stick rather. Now we'll just go ahead and get these babies on there. I'll just let them cook on one side and then just flip them over one time. They're pretty thin, so they shouldn't take long. Get the lid down here. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's check on these. My grill is on high and it's running about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let's go ahead and flip these over here. That looks pretty nice. See how this one looks? Oh yeah, looking good. Alright, we'll let them cook a few minutes on that side and then we'll get them off of there. Been about 4 or 5 minutes on that side, so let's see how we're doing. I think those are done. They look like they're pulling away from the bone a little bit, so I'm going to shut that off right there and we'll get them off of there. This pork steak smells good and has a nice color to it. I also steamed some peas and made some toaster oven fries here. Anyway, let's cut a piece off of this baby and try it out. Oh yeah. That is good flavor. I like that rub on pork. Pretty good. Well, Annie's standing there wagging her tail. I guess we better let her try it here. Want a piece of this fat off the edge, Annie? I'll bet you like that. Oh yeah. I like that little grill a lot. You get a nice smoky flavor from it. Those grills are cast iron, but they're coated, so it makes, you get a nice grill marks and a nice smoke flavor from it. It's probably my favorite gas grill that I've ever had. It's not very big, but for just me, it's perfect. Doesn't take much gas. So did that about 5 minutes on each side on high and came out real good. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.